Hello there, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a teleport brick that teleports you to an opposing teleport brick. So first, create parts, grab both of your parts and group them. Name that teleporter and grab one of your parts and make it red, and grab the other part and make it, whoops, I got the base plate by mistake, and make it blue. Now we have two parts to teleport between. So inside your first name this one, and name this one 2. Now add in a script. First thing you need to do, make a variable. Name it a cooldown. Set it to false. True. Actually. Now, firstly, script.parent dot, I guess I'll have to rename them because Roblox doesn't seem to like numbers. Tele1 and Tele2, and so script.parent.tele1 dot touched. We want to connect that to the function, and we want to record what touched it and a variable named hit. Duplicate this function, rename it tele2, and now write local hum equals hit dot parent colon find first child humanoid. Copy this and paste it into the next one. And if hum, then hit dot parent dot humanoid root part dot position equals tele script dot parent dot tele1 dot position plus let's say vector free dot new 0, space 5, space 0. So whatever you put in the Y column will be the amount that the player gets moved up. I'm going to put 5, but you can put anything you like. And I'll simply copy this code over. To this one, but I'll change it to tele2. Now, if you click play, you'll see that something isn't very good. You'll just keep teleporting between them like this, and they should be anchored as well. So to stop that, we'll use this cooldown variable. So if hum and cooldown, then we want to do it. This is not going to change anything yet. But if we put cooldown to false just after we've done this, and if we copy this, paste it over here, add weight, say 0.3, and write true, that will now work, giving a 0.3 delay until the player is teleported again. Well, eligible for teleporting again anyway. So, now if you click play, you'll be able to teleport between the two parts. I guess we should change that cooldown up to 1. Otherwise it's a bit hard for the player to get off it in time. There we go, and there you have it, a teleporter. And you can teleport between the two parts easily. Bye, and thanks for watching.